my beautiful people? Welcome back to another episode of Clean Skillet, the show where we focus on quality conscious foods. I'm your host, Latifah E, and today we are going to make a coconut French toast with mixed berries. Now, before we get started, of course, you know what I'm about to say. Please take a moment and subscribe. This way you can stay up to date with all the latest videos and quality conscious content. Now, let's just jump right into today's recipe. We're starting off with a challah bread, often mispronounced as challah, but today here on the show we're gonna have a little fun. So we're gonna go ahead and just call this challah bread. So we're gonna go ahead and cut our challah bread, and you're gonna slice it about 2 inches thick. Now, our bread is made with really simple ingredients. You know, we like to keep it clean here on Clean Skillet, so it's just with unbleached flour, water, eggs, salt, yeast. This is a fresh baked loaf of bread. So if you see, they're about 2 inches thick. We're just gonna place those to the side. And you want them thick so that it can soak up the mixture, the egg mixture. You want there to be a nice crisp texture on the French toast whenever we finish cooking it. Now we're gonna make our mix. Now the mix is really simple. You're just gonna use 1 large egg. You're going to use some almond milk. And then we're gonna go ahead and add some ground nutmeg. Do not skip this ingredient. It's very important. The ground nutmeg adds a lot of extra flavor. Oftentimes when you're digging around online and you're looking for recipes for French toast, a lot of the recipes always tell you to use sugar. This is an opportunity for you to omit having additional sugar that you don't need, because the nutmeg is gonna give you a lot of extra flavor. We're gonna put our cinnamon in there. I like a lot of cinnamon, but you can adjust this to however much cinnamon you want. And then we're gonna put in some vanilla extract. I use a bourbon Madagascar vanilla extract, one of my favorites. You're gonna put that in there, and then we are going to find our whisk, and we're just gonna whisk the ingredients up, mix it all up so that it's nice and combined. I love cinnamon. We're using a Saigon cinnamon. All right, so we got that nice and mixed up. And so now we are going to just scoop this over to the side, and we are going to bring our hot plate right up to the top. And we are going to let the skillet get hot. So we are going to go ahead and just add some of this vegan butter. And you want to see it foam. You can hear it sizzle when you put it in. So let's let that heat up just a little bit more. So yeah, so we got our French toast. We are going to quickly dip it on both sides. And again, just put your toast in there and you will hear the sizzle. And you're gonna watch it. It's gonna cook for about, 2-3 minutes on both sides. And you can start, I can smell this French toast already. It's smelling real good. I smell the cinnamon, I smell the nutmeg. And I'm going to use my spatula, and I am just going to flip this baby over. And you see, golden brown. There is no burnt, let me just show you real quick. There's no burnt spots on the toast. It's golden brown. I cannot wait. Like, I'm ready to just slice some right now and take a bite, but clearly I can't do that. It's hot. And just flip it back over, just again to make sure nothing is burning, but that your egg is cooked. You want your egg to be cooked. All right, so now let's slide these over here. All right, so that's enough. That's gonna serve 2 people. Okay, so now it's time for my favorite part, which is to plate and eat. So we are gonna top our French toast with mixed berries. So these are organic berries. It's a medley. We got strawberries going on, raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries. A lot of antioxidants in there, definitely good for you. And actually, berries are less sweet than most other fruit. Just cut our berries up into half. And you can take this, you can take the top off if you like. I like the way it looks, so sometimes I just keep it on, but just for the heck of it, I'll cut a few off the top. All right. And just push that to the side. There we go. So bringing my plate up, and we're just going to place the French toast right in the middle of the plate. This is bigger than this one, so it's always nice to, and if you notice, it's nice and golden brown on top. All right, and then let me wipe my hands off here. We're gonna add our blackberry, blueberry, raspberry, and you could top this with additional vegan butter if you like. If you're treating yourself and you just have to have it, you can totally put some drizzle some melted butter on top. Like it there. All right. Now, I'm using a warm maple syrup, and we're just gonna sprinkle that right over top. Now, like I said earlier, you do not need sugar in your batter because this maple syrup is so sweet and you really don't need any other sugars. You can dust it with powdered sugar. Some people do that, but instead of powdered sugar, we're going to use unsweetened coconut flakes. And I always keep some coconut flakes on hand. It's a very nice topping. You can make so much with it. You can make macaroons with it. If you see, I have it right up here on the shelf. I keep it available at all times. Obviously, the maple syrup is where you're gonna get the sweetness from. So yeah, we are plated. So let's taste this baby. I'm excited. Let's see what this is about. It's so pretty. I don't even want to cut it. It's so adorable. Okay, I'll just cut right off the top here. Right. This side, get some of this. Okay. Y'all know this is my favorite part right here, right? All right. French toast makes me so happy. Okay, so here's the deal. The sweetness is perfect. You taste every single ingredient that we put in here. The nutmeg is shining through, the cinnamon is on point, and the coconut bits give it like an extra crunch. So you have the soft texture going on with the crunchy, toasted outside. It is literally perfect. And it tastes nice and buttery from that vegan butter. Again, this is a dairy-free French toast. We did not use any dairy in this. And then, of course, I'm just gonna have a strawberry just because. Perfect. Now, don't leave any maple syrup on your plate. Whatever berries you have left around, use the berries. Swoop up that maple syrup. Don't leave any on your plate. Perfect. I really hope you all enjoy your meal. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, leave your positive comments below, reach out. I'll be happy to answer any questions. I hope you enjoy.